Most people think the most dangerous part of an Uber ride is the crash. But legally, the most dangerous moment happens before you even get in the car. In fact, there's a 3-minute window that could determine whether you're protected or completely exposed. When you request an Uber or Lyft ride, the driver's app goes through different stages. First, the driver is offline, then they accept your ride. Then they're on the way to pick you up. To most passengers, this just looks like a car getting closer on a map, but behind the scenes, the insurance coverage is changing. Here's where the risk begins. Between the moment a driver accepts your ride and the moment you actually get inside the car, there's a short window where things can get legally complicated. If an accident happens during that time, multiple insurance policies could be involved, the driver's personal insurance, rideshare coverage, and sometimes even your own policy. And determining who pays can quickly become a legal battle. Imagine this. You're standing on the sidewalk waiting for your Uber. The driver is 2 minutes away. Suddenly, they're involved in a crash while coming to pick you up. You weren't even in the car yet, but the accident is connected to your ride request. Now, the big question becomes which insurance policy actually applies. And the answer depends entirely on the driver's app status at that exact moment. This is why rideshare accidents are very different from normal car accidents. With traditional drivers, it's usually just one insurance company. But with rideshare accidents, there can be layers of coverage depending on whether the driver is offline, waiting for a ride request, driving to pick up a passenger, or actively transporting someone. So, what should riders know? If you're involved in a rideshare accident, even before you enter the vehicle, document everything. Take screenshots of the ride request, the driver's information, and the time of the crash. Those details can determine which insurance coverage applies. So now I'm curious. Did you know there's a legal risk before you even get inside an Uber? Comment ride if this surprised you and tell me if you've ever had a close call with a rideshare.